Hello friends, welcome to today's update of GST. In this video, I'll be covering a few points of the outcome of 43rd GST Council meeting held on 28th May 2021. The points to be discussed will be relaxation of late fees and interest rates for filing of GSTR 3B under QRMP, maximum late fee limit for GSTR 4, that is for composition taxpayers, maximum late fee capped in case of GSTR 7, that is for TDS taxpayers, extension in certain due dates, simplification of annual return for the financial year 2021, and other relaxations or other measures. I would also request you to go through the earlier video of regarding the outcome of 43rd GST Council meeting. The link for those videos are provided in the description box. Kindly have a look into it. Amnesty scheme, rationalization of late fee imposed under Section 47 of CGST Act, and relaxation of late fee and interest rate for monthly return in GSTR 3B are all discussed in those videos. I kindly request you once again to go through those videos. Let's look into the late fee for filing of GSTR 3B under QRMP applicable to the small taxpayers, that is whose aggregate turnover is less than 5 crore. Due date for quarter ending for QRMP scheme is 22nd April for category 1 states and 24th April for category 2 states. There is a waiver of late fee for delay in furnishing of return in GSTR 3B for the quarter ending March 21 is given for 60 days. After 60 days, it will be levied at rupees 20 for nil return and rupees 50 for others. This slide displays the states which are covered under category 1 and category 2 for your reference. Now let's discuss the interest rate for category 1 states for filing of GSTR 3B for quarter ending Jan to March 2021. Well, the due date for this quarter in case of category 1 state was 22nd April 2021. Nil rate of interest for first 15 days from the due date of furnishing the return in form GSTR 3B, and thereafter it is reduced to 9% for further 45 days, and after 45 days it is charged at 18%. Due date for furnishing of GSTR 3B for quarter ending Jan to March 2021 for category 2 states was 24th April 2021. Nil return of interest for first 15 days from the due date for furnishing the return in form GSTR 3B was given, and reduced rate of 9% thereafter for 45 days and 18% of interest rate after those 45 days. Due date for furnishing of payment challan in PMT 06 for April, for the month of April 2021 is 25th May. Nil rate of interest for first 15 days from the due date of furnishing PMT 06 challan, and thereafter it is reduced to 9% for 30 days and 18% for after 30 days. Due date for furnishing the payment challan in PMT 06 challan for May 2021 is 25th June. Nil rate of interest for first 15 days from the due date of furnishing PMT 06 challan, and thereafter it is reduced to 9% for 15 days, and after 15 days it is levied at 18%. Late fee for delay in furnishing of form GSTR 4, that is for composition taxpayer, will be capped at rupees 500, that is 250 each for CGST and SGST per return. Let me repeat, this is for per return if the tax liability is nil in the return, and rupees 2000, that is 1000 each for CGST and SGST per return for others. Late fee payable for delay in furnishing of GSTR 7, that is for tedious taxpayers. All these are for prospective period. It is reduced to rupees 50 per day, that is 25 each for CGST and SGST, and it will be capped to a maximum of rupees 2,000, that is 1,000 each for CGST and SGST. Moving on to the simplification of annual return for the financial year 2020-21. For annual return for financial year 2021, taxpayer would be able to self-certify the reconciliation statement in form GSTR 9C instead of getting it certified by the chartered accountant. Filing of annual return in form GST 9 and 9A, it will be optional for the taxpayer having aggregate annual turnover up to rupees 2 crores. Reconciliation statement in form GSTR 9C for financial year 2021 will be required to be filed by the taxpayer with annual aggregate turnover above rupees 5 crores. Now let's look into the other relaxations or other measures. Well, Rule 36(4) restricts the availment of ITC to 105% of the ITC reflected in GSTR 2B or 2A. Cumulative application of Rule 36(4) for availing ITC for the tax period April, May and June 21 in the return for the period June 21 is made available. Filing of return by companies with EVC, using EVC instead of DSC is allowed till 31st August 2021. GST Council has recommended amendments to make the present system of GSTR 1 and 3B as default return filing system in GST. It is a recommendation. Well, thank you friends for watching this video. I kindly request you to share, like and subscribe to this channel for further updates. Thank you.